Hi, Magnaim from Memberstack here, and welcome to Memberscript 143. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an initial based avatar for users that have not uploaded a profile image yet. This script will be particularly useful for users who have not uploaded a profile image, and instead of leaving that area blank, the script will then generate an initials based avatar based on a user's first name and last name. And just to show you how this would look like in action. So I'm currently logged into my project, and the first thing you'll see is that I have not uploaded a profile image. So instead of having that element blank, what the script now does is replace that element with my initials, so my first name and my last name. If I were to upload a profile image, that section would now be replaced with the image that I've uploaded instead of showing my initials. The first thing you're going to want to do now is to head over to Webflow and grab Memberscript 143 and paste that in your project. Depending on your specific use case, you can either paste this site-wide or in the project settings of an individual page. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below. And if you're watching this from the Memberstack site, then you should have already seen this code. And just to explain how this script will work, it first waits for Memberstack to load and then checks if a user has a profile image. If they do, it then shows the image and then hides the initials. And if they don't, it then creates the initials using their first and last name. And if the first and last name fields are missing in your Memberstack app, then it tries using the full name field instead. On the page, you're going to need three elements. It's your profile image wrapper, and then your initials wrapper, and then your profile image element. Your profile avatar wrapper, you're going to need to set that to position relative, and essentially it's going to house your avatar initials div and then your image element. Your initials div, this is the one where you're going to add all your styling, so your background colors, your width, and the height of your initials div. You're also going to need an attribute set to this div to data ms code equals avatar. And this is essentially for the script to target this element on the page. The next element you're going to need to have is now your profile image element. And this would also have an attribute of data ms member equals profile image. Ideally, you're going to want to add all your styling to this element, so your ms avatar initials div. And this is where you can change the width, the height, the color of the text or the initials, and then the background color as well. If you do change the width and height of your element, just make sure it's the same width and height of your profile image avatar. Both elements, the profile image and the profile image or the initials avatar div, need to be set to position absolute. On the page, the avatar will be in the foreground, and then in the background would be your initials div. Once you've set your attributes and you've added the script to your project, you can now publish your project and then log into your account. Initially, you're first going to see, or if you have uploaded a profile image, you'll see the profile image, and if you haven't, you will see your initials. And that's it for Memberscript 143. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the Slack 2.0 channel, and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye.